Hello everyone and welcome to Caffeine's video on how to clean your Schearer Soul coffee machine. First of all, you're going to need some parts. So you're going to need your cleaning materials for your coffee machine, and you're also going to need your milk cleaning container. Once we have all those cleaning materials, we can now start the cleaning process. To access your cleaning, you need to click on the Settings tab. And here you will see I have a red sad face. This tells me that my machine needs a clean. By clicking on the forward arrow, it takes me into my cleaning schedule, and this is where we would start the cleaning process. During this process, everything displayed on the screen needs to be carried out. Follow all the instructions all the way through, and at the end your machine will be up and working after completing the clean. When you're ready to start, click on the green arrow. From here, it asks if you want to switch your coffee machine off after cleaning. Now, what this does is when you clean your machine at the end of the day, your machine will turn off during the cleaning cycle. When you return in the morning and turn your coffee machine back on, it will finish the cleaning cycle, and then you can remove the cleaning container and insert your milk. For today's training, we're going to say we don't want to turn off our coffee machine, so we can follow the process all the way through. So here you need to remove your grounds container. Take your grounds container out of your coffee machine, empty your grounds into a suitable container or dustbin, and make sure you wash, rinse and dry your grounds container before placing it back into the machine. Now you remove the spout cover of your coffee machine, give it a good clean out. You normally find this is where you'll get some dried milk residue, so make sure it has a good clean. Now you need to insert your small cleaning tablet. This goes into the top of your coffee machine. Remove your milk from your fridge. These milk containers can now be cleaned and rinsed. Please do not put them in the dishwasher. Okay, now you need to put your milk cleaning sachet. Okay, the powder goes into your blue cleaning tub. The blue cleaning tub can be left in the fridge. Shut the fridge door. It can stay on overnight. That's not a problem at all. Okay, but you must make sure that the fridge door is shut, otherwise it will build up with ice. When you're ready, you can lift the front screen up above your machine and remove your hot chocolate mixing pot. This needs to be taken to the sink and rinsed thoroughly. Make sure there is no chocolate powder left in there, and make sure that it is dry. When it goes back into the machine and you use it again, if this is wet, then the powder from the hot chocolate just clumps up and it will end up leaking inside the machine. When you've done all that, make sure you bring the screen back down and lock it fully into place. Now the machine starts its clean cycle. Make sure you don't have anything on the front of the drip tray. The water will run out the spout, water will run out of the steam wand. It will dispense steam at various intervals. Okay, so make sure there's no hands or anything placed in the way. Once the cleaning cycle is finished, it will ask you to remove the blue cleaning container. This is also the point that if you'd asked your machine to turn off, you would come back into this section in the morning when you turn your coffee machine back on. Once you've removed your blue cleaning container, click on the green arrow and it'll ask, do you want to enable your milk system? Now, if you're doing this at the start of the day, then yes, you do, because you want to use it. Or if you're going home, you can now click no. You can now insert your milk containers, and the coffee machine will now switch on the milk system. When the milk system has been switched on, your coffee machine will now restart. Once your coffee machine is restarted, the cleaning process is now finished and you can use your coffee machine. Don't forget to visit our website for more machines, servicing, training and products.